Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to recover Payoneer account without phone number or security questions. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Losing access to your Payoneer account can feel like hitting a dead end, especially when you no longer have your registered phone number or can't remember the answers to your security questions. But don't panic. Payoneer provides several support options to help you get back into your account, even under these circumstances. While the process might require a bit of patience and identity verification, recovery is absolutely possible if you follow the right steps and provide accurate information. So, in order to recover your Payoneer account without a phone number or security questions, you have to follow these steps. The very first thing you should do is visit the official Payoneer website and attempt to log in using your email and password. Even though you might not have access to your phone or security answers, trying the login helps determine whether your account is still active and what kind of verification is being requested. If you can't get past the verification stage, look for the trouble signing in or forgot details link under the login form. Click this link to initiate the recovery process. This is where Payoneer starts to offer alternative options for account access. Once you're in the account recovery section, you'll typically be asked for the email address associated with your Payoneer account. Enter this email correctly and submit. In many cases, Payoneer will send a recovery link to that email, which you can use to verify your identity and access your account. If you no longer have access to the phone number or security questions, you will need to bypass those traditional methods and go directly to Payoneer's customer support. To do this, scroll to the bottom of the site or head to the Contact Us section, which is usually found at the footer of their homepage. Payoneer offers several contact methods, including live chat, a support form, and sometimes even email. Live chat is the fastest option, but it's only available during certain hours and may require you to be logged in. If you can't access the live chat, your next best option is to use the support form. When filling it out, make sure to select the right issue category, such as Account Access Issues or Unable to Log in. Then, in the message box, explain your situation clearly and professionally. Let them know that you've lost access to both your phone number and the answers to your security questions, and that you are requesting identity verification alternatives to recover your account. In your message, include every piece of identifying information you can provide. This might include your full name, the email address linked to the account, the date of your last login, and any transaction history or payment partner accounts that have been linked to your Payoneer profile. The more details you offer, the easier it will be for the support team to verify that you are the rightful owner of the account. If possible, attach a scanned image or photo of a government-issued ID, such as a passport or national ID card that matches the information on your Payoneer profile. This will greatly increase your chances of a swift resolution. After submitting the support form or email, you'll need to wait for Payoneer to respond. This usually takes anywhere from 24 to 72 hours depending on their support load. Keep an eye on your email inbox, including your spam or junk folder, for a response. Payoneer may reply with follow-up questions or additional verification steps. Respond to them as quickly and accurately as possible. In some cases, they might ask you to verify your identity via a secure video call or provide further documentation to confirm that you're the legitimate account holder. Don't be discouraged. This is a normal part of the process to prevent fraud. If you still run into issues or experience long delays, you can try reaching out to Payoneer through their official social media channels, such as Twitter or Facebook. Their social media teams are often responsive and can escalate your case to a specialist. When you contact them, be concise but clear and avoid sharing sensitive information publicly. Just mention your issue, the support ticket number if you have one, and request assistance or an update. Often, a polite message via social media can fast-track your case. Once your identity is verified, Payoneer will reset the verification method associated with your account. This might mean removing the old phone number and security questions and allowing you to set new ones. You'll also be able to update your contact information so that future recoveries won't run into the same problem. After successfully regaining access, it's critical that you immediately update your profile with a valid phone number, reset your security questions, and consider enabling two-factor authentication two-FAR if it's available. This adds a second layer of protection and helps prevent similar issues in the future. In summary, recovering a Payoneer account without a phone number or security questions is entirely doable, though it requires direct interaction with customer support and proof of identity. The key is to remain calm, be prepared with detailed account information, and respond promptly to all communications. While the process might seem tedious, it's ultimately in place to protect you and your finances. By following these steps carefully, you can reclaim control of your Payoneer account and secure it better than before. So that's basically how you can recover Payoneer account without phone number or security questions. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.